channel. I will be showing you how to play Minecraft Java Edition without even buying it. So for that, go to your browser, search there for Tllauncher. Go to the site and go to https tlauncher.org. As you can see, I have already searched for it. Here, go to Tllauncher for Minecraft. Download it. I have already downloaded it. So let me show you by running it. See, it's installed here. Let me open it. Um, After running the application, you can see a little pop-up is coming. Let it load. After running the application, there would be a download of 200 to 400 MB around. So you have to enter your username here, and you have to see which version of Minecraft you want to play. I'm playing the latest version, and you can see all the details of what is there in Minecraft latest version. So let's get into our game. As you can see, its initialization run is happening, and let's just retry. As you can see, our game is starting. We are gonna wait for a few seconds. As you can see, Minecraft version 1.18.2 has started. Let's zoom in. Let's zoom it. As you can see, it has started. You can play my multiplayer also here by just adding your server's name. By mistakenly, go to direct connection, add your server name, join server. You can play Minecraft for multiplayer also here for free. And so for now, I'm just gonna show you how to play Minecraft, like giving you proof that it's a single play. See, I've created a world, and just I'm gonna play the selected world.